guys, welcome to Super Science Squad, fun activities that you can do quick and easy right in your home. Today we're making the Super Flyer. We're going to start by folding our paper in half, right down the center. Next, we're going to make a 1-inch fold right at the top of the paper. Go ahead and flip your paper over. Now we're going to fold that right corner down to the center line. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to fold the top triangle section down. Right where this dotted line is, we're going to bend that point back up. Go ahead and flip the paper over once again. Now we're going to repeat that right corner and bring that down to the center line. Go ahead and grab that left corner and fold it down to the center line as well. Open those folds back up and we're going to fold that right corner down to the line. Let's repeat that on the other side. Go ahead and open those folds up. Now we're going to fold a different direction. Follow this dotted line and once again line it up with that original fold that we had made. Do this on both sides. Now take the two corners and fold those in. We have two matching points. Those points are going to tuck one right inside the other with the handy pocket that we made early on. Go ahead and flip your plane over. Now we're going to fold our plane in half. Smooth it out. Go ahead and fold that top section down and line it up with the bottom of the airplane. Do the same on the other side to form the wings. Grab the center and here you have it, a finished Super Flyer. We'll see you again back here at Super Science Squad for more fun activities that you can do right at home.